Hey there, today we're going to look at how to install Python 3, 13.3 on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Over here, go to python.org, then hover over Downloads. Over here, select Download for Windows, then scroll down until you see the version 3, 13.3. Click on Windows Installer and then download it. After that, save the installer to your computer. Over here, go to your Downloads folder and open it. Then, the Python installer will start. Once the installer opens, check both options at the bottom. Over here, select Use Admin Privileges and Add Python to Path. Then, you can select Install Now. If you want, you can select Customize Installation. Over here, leave the first page as it is and click Next. Then, select Install for all users. After that, click Install. Over here, if prompted, select Yes to allow changes. Then, wait for Python to install. Once done, click Close. Then, to verify which version is installed, open CMD. Then, type Python #version, and you will be able to see it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.